Webflow landing page tutorial for beginners, how to create landing page on Webflow. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video we are going to find out how to create landing page on Webflow. They provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can easily use one of the templates to customize it. So here we are on webflow.com, and in the top of the screen you can find some information about our products, solution, resources, enterprise, and pricing. Of course, we'll discover prices a little bit later, but don't worry, they provide us the opportunity to create it for free, so we can easily click on start building or get started in the right top corner. So let's click, and here we are. We need to create our account. We can continue with Gmail, or we can easily create an account with email address. So in my case, I'm going to use Gmail, as for me this is the most suitable variant. And we'll come to this page where's our dashboard. We also have the marketplace folder with overview, libraries, apps, hire an expert, templates, and made in Webflow, and some tutorials on learn and resources area. In the right top corner we can find public profile settings, where you can manage billing info and some payment information. So in order to create a website, we need to go to dashboard, and here click on new site in the right side. So let's click, and we'll come to this page where we need to find the necessary template or choose the blank project, so we can easily create it from scratch by simply clicking on blank site in the left top corner right up here. We can also choose portfolio starter, business starter, store starter. It's empty templates. We need to customize them from scratch, but they have some structure inside. If we scroll down, we can find some templates which are not free. So $34, $79, $129, $79. We can click on view all, and here we can discover a lot of different templates we can easily buy. So if it's easy for you to pay maybe $50 to $100, you can simply come here and find the necessary one, because the number of paid templates is much higher than the number of free templates. But if you scroll down from this page a little bit to the down, we can find free templates here. There are a lot of them for here, and if you click on view, we'll come to the free website templates, where we can find a lot of different templates we can easily use. As you can see, I'm scrolling down, but there is a huge amount of them, so maybe it will be easier as for you to find it in the free side. Of course, you can always just switch to the paid, version and buy the template for yourself, but in this case we are going to work with this template here. So in order to create a landing page, I'm just going to go to click on this template, and here we are. We can preview it in browser like this. As you can see, it looks pretty good. So I'm just going to click on use for free, and we'll create this website as a template on our dashboard. We need to choose the name, let it be like this. So I'm just going to click on create a site, and in a few seconds we'll come to our editing page where we can just edit, where we can customize our template. It may take a little time, it depends on the server's capacity or some other stuff. So here we are in the central part. We can find how does our website looks like. In top of the screen we have the option to switch between different devices. As you can see, from mobile it looks like this, and all the websites templates provided by Webflow are responsive, so we can easily use them for different devices, and they will be automatically adopted to the size of the device, and it's pretty cool. So let's go back to editing view, and as you can see in the left side there is option to add some elements. We can easily add sections, container, grid, columns, div block, a lot of basic stuff, button, heading, paragraph, text line, text block, block quote, rich text. For e-commerce it's cart option, add to cart, web payment, PayPal, media stuff, image, video, YouTube, form block, label, input, text area, checkbox, and some other stuff. Also there is option to manage all the structure from navigator. As you can see, the structure of this website looks like this. A lot of containers here. We can add a team in users area. If you have a team, you can easily add them here, and they'll have the ability to work with you on this progress. and there is like option to set up our e-commerce store. Sometimes it could be necessary, as for landing page especially. So from this page we can manage our products, where we can interact with every single product we have. We can simply click and then just change the name, description. We can also like add new products here in the right top corner. Just simply click on new product. So from this page it's easy to set up our online store. We can add different categories. For example, new category, just add name, slug, and so on. Create discounts and manage all of our orders. Yeah, I don't have any orders, but when you do start getting orders, you'll see them right up here. So on this folder we can easily manage our online store. And there is like also our assets, our gallery, our library, where we can find all the images used here. We can also add our own from the computer or from the link, so it will be easier for us to add some new pages and so on. So in order to change something, we just simply need to choose it in the editing area here. So we can simply choose and then just write something we need. For example, it would be like the name of our channel. And as you can see, if we'll just select, we can find some properties. We can make it bold, italic, and so on. And the main properties are in the right side here. So for every single element, if you want to change it, all you need is just to simply click and then just find the necessary area as here. For example, we can easily change the color of the button and do some other stuff like change the background, change the borders, change the typography, change the spacing, and so on. So sometimes it could be a really helpful as for us. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on publish in the right top corner and our website will be successfully published. We can do it with free domain or we can use the custom domain. So in this case, let's use like the free domain with webflow.io subdomain under it. So they provides us the opportunity to publish our website just in a few seconds after creation. So now we have this website here on the internet. We can share our link, and it's pretty cool as for me that we have this opportunity right up here. So we can go back to dashboard, and as you can see now we can find it right up here. So we can click on more, we can delete, duplicate, move to folder, share, or go to editor, and also manage some settings. As you can see from this page, we can add CEO, libraries, forms, and so on. If you'll try to discover the plans, we can find that they have like free plan. We are on it now. They also have like basic plan with $40 per month, CMS $23, and business $39. I suggest you to try it for free, and then you can easily decide is it necessary for you to buy the paid plan. As for me, the free one is enough, but maybe it's really necessary for you to buy like business or CMS. So we can find the differences right up here. We can use custom domains on paid plans, and also there is like differences in CMS items, monthly form submissions, and so on. So this is a way of how can we use Webflow to create landing page. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.